Nebula is one out of many drones that can now assist you in the fight. You can pair any drone with any robot mid-combat. This gives you a great deal of flexibility. Ask, what will you need in the next fight? Extra firepower or defense? Or maybe extra ways to control your enemies? You can choose. Right here on the spawn panel, select any of the drones you've prepared. Juice it up with some power cells and go into combat. Okay, now how to get drones? Just grab drone blueprints from the store. Engineers from your command center will build them for you. Blueprints allow for some artistic freedom, so each drone comes out with a different set of microchip slots. Microchips unlock drones' abilities. AC-type chips, for instance, unlock drones' weapons if there are any. B-type chips let your drones improve robots' attack capabilities. With D-type chips, they repair your robots, and so on. Get Tier 1 microchips from the store. They are pretty cheap. Then you can combine multiple chips to get stronger ones. We plan to add more ways of getting them in the future. Think black market, operations, event chests, and more. One thing, you cannot just install all the best chips and be done with it. Drones not only have a limited amount of slots, but also limited battery capacity. Some chips take more capacity, some less. You have to be smart about it and research a bit to make a solid build. Trial and error, it's okay. There is no cost for trying out new things. Experiment. Let's sum it up. Drones assist your robots in the fight. You install microchips into drones, giving them new abilities. You merge microchips together to make them more effective. Any drone can be paired with any robot. In match, select a robot, then select a drone and fight together. It's simple but deep. Let's talk other changes in the update. Balance update. In this update, we tune up lots of underperforming items such as classic support robots and weaken some overly dominant builds. The list of changes is too long to cover in one video. Check the article on warrobots.com for all the details and developer commentary. The link is in description.